Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to save jobs on LinkedIn. So to save jobs, you have to go to the app, open it, and after that, click on jobs on the bottom right of the screen. And after that, go and check whatever job that you want, click on it. And as you can see, next to easy apply or apply, you will find white and blue button, like and save written on it. You have just to click on it and you can go also to see your saved jobs to find it. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video.